have a neighbor. So they like here. Oh wait, how do you get through? No! How did he get in? Go. Let's get these box. Okay. Nakita mo? Malaki? Tato! Guys, my neighbor has a snake, and I don't know where they found it. Like what? Why? Wait, I think that's not a stop. First try. Okay. First try. For easy lang, you get the red to just back there, like that. Yes, so get the ones. Is it like that? Okay, go. So fast. Pwede ba si neighbor hindi mo mag-climb? Hindi, pwede. Huh? Okay, now. No way this doll break the window. Because if this doll break the window, this make no sense. Okay, this make no sense. Ano? Why can I? Oh. Get the red key. Guys, where's the window? I think I got like how? And I have some tips, so I'm gonna go to get to ask you. So first, how? That's it. Go around him. Bro! Boom! Can I have a flashlight? It's like dark. Now we just get this pen. We're gonna do this. Wait, apparently we need to. Oh my gosh, it's that. It's like shining. Apparently we need to off this. Wait, is this your golden? Okay. Okay. Apparently, we need to back it up. Okay. And now, open that. And now we need to like off the power. No! The bathroom is this. Why is there bricks? Wait. Telephone. Oh my gosh. So apparently we need to push that left button to open that. So I don't know how to open, how to like go over there on the other side. Stop. No, no. Boom. Okay, I'm actually here. I can pick up this brick. I need to like push that button somehow. Hear that? So I can like, oh, we need to open this fence somehow. We need to like, how? How do I like, let me get a bunch of these bricks. You guys hear that? You guys hear that? First I need to get shit. Keep that. Now who's that? I don't know who's that.
Come here. Wala ka flashlight.
Wala. Hindi ko kailangan. So I need to throw it over here. It gives us extra height with this. But freak you!
You need the light, bro.
Hindi ko kailangan nga. Ready to jump. That's almost there.
You need the box. 2 boxes.
No! I need like 1 box.
Oh, yeah.
Look. Doon ka na.
Mga kasi si Mama hanap. Oh, another pair.
But first we need to see the places here. Okay, we'll get that. Run. Close this. Again over here. Again over here. Okay, how?
You need 4.
Oh, wait. That was almost close. What is it? Where is it?
Bro, it's hard to pick it through. Alright, but we made extra space with it.
Oh. Oh my god. Bro, how? Why need to like... It's almost there. It's almost there. Bro, this chair.
Mr. McFarland? Yes, what is it? My name is Elson. This is Harry Jarvis. We're from the Morning Chronicle. I just wondered if we could talk on it.
Where's the TV?
Well, I am rather busy.
Bro. Okay, perfect.
You're clearly I'm expecting Comic-Con.
Yes!
Like why? Don't blame me.
Bro! I was so close. Yes! Now? Yes! Like, malapit ko na i-beat Act 1. Malapit na. Yes! Yes! Okay, that's open. Now we can like... Yes! Yes! Okay. Oh shoot! You get out of my way! Oh, there's the exit! Oh shoot! How? Ah! Pwede mo yung hand mo. Ito may bandage yung hand mo. What? What? That is at the end, guys. Bye-bye.